Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we are going to show you how to check your flow analytics in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. Analytics is a very important feature that gives you an insight of how your flow is performing. Let me show you how. See, it is just a simple task to view and check your flow analytics. There you have it, you just learned how to check your flow analytics. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.